Alright guys, it's Jimmy Microwave here for another microwave food review. All the way from Australia. And thanks so much to my USA fans in the comments. We have some good stuff on the way for you guys. And I will be rating some of your delectable microwave foods. It's kind of hard to get here in Australia, but we're going to make it happen. Because we are Jimmy Microwave, and today we have Mrs. Max. And I know for some of you American viewers, you probably don't know Mrs. Max because this, I do believe this might be an Australian delicacy. So we've got the microwave traditional beef pasty. And if you don't know what a beef pasty is, it's basically some beef and some veg wrapped in pastry. I don't know how this is going to go in the microwave, but we'll definitely see. We've got to have a little look back here on the cooking instructions. We've got to get them right. Okay, do not thaw. Cut both ends off of the bag. Okay. Heat on high for 3 minutes. Right, we can probably handle that. Alright, so we've got 100% Aussie beef with vegetables wrapped in layers of pastry, crisp to perfection in the microwave. We've got some wheat flour, some carrot potatoes, sulfites, water, halal no added hormone beef. Okay, we've got margarine, we've got some vegetable oil, water, salt. Okay, and we've got some natural flavors, and we've got some thickeners, and we've got some good stuff in there. But I think this one might be, I don't know, I'm feeling good about this one. What about you guys? In the comments, are you feeling good about this one? If you're feeling good, just put a thumbs up. I appreciate it. So we've got some no added hormone beef. This company's been around. Mrs. Max. Mrs. Max was established in 1954. So we're looking at some quality ingredients here, guys. So let's see what the microwave says. Be right back. All right, guys, we're back. It's out of the microwave. The packaging in which it said to cook it in is now horribly deformed. But let's hope the Mrs. Max microwave traditional beef pasty isn't. And I do have a knife for this one because it is pastry. I'm thinking we might have a little cross cut just to see how it's looking. And oh my God, that is hot to the touch. That is absolutely steaming. We'll get a little cross cut there. It's not looking too bad, I guess. There's a little bit of carrot. We've got a little bit of peas, I think. We've got some beef and yes, it is unbelievably molten lava. I think in the first time in Jimmy Microwave history, we're going to leave this for a couple of minutes because this is going to burn my mouth into oblivion. Okay, guys, so I just need a little bit of time because this thing, just touching it, is singeing my fingertips. So just give me 1 second and I'll be right back. All right, and we're back. We've let it sit for a little bit because Mrs. Mac, this is what it came in, guys. And this thing looks like it's been through World War III in the microwave. It said to microwave it in it. So, I don't know. I'm sure that any plastic that was on this outer rim in the microwave process did not translate into microplastics into this meal. Let's not talk about it. Let's talk about the ingredients once more because I'm now intrigued because it looks quite good. We got a bit of carrot, potato, sulfites, peas, and onion. Salt emulsifiers, acidity regulators, antioxidants. There's always a lot of antioxidants in these. It's very nice. Salt, potato flakes, wheat, natural flavors, thickener, glazed milk, and spice. Unbelievably delicious. And we're going to go in for the bite. And as you guys know, we're fair. We rate things fair, and we also follow the directions. So, cheers, guys. Let's have a bite. Okay. My first problem with this is they've got a chemical in there for flavor, but there is no flavor. This basically tastes like you've eaten a wet sponge and you're just trying to decipher what you're tasting. It's not great. It's not great. I'm gonna give it a chance though. Maybe it needs some sauce or something, but it's a nothing at the moment. Okay. I got a hit of bit of onion. So basically the only flavor in this whole thing is onion. Nothing else, just texture. The pastry's okay. It's just like bread. It's not like rock hard, it's nothing crazy. There's really no flavor to it. Without like a tomato ketchup, a sauce, or something on the side, you're not going to be happy with this because this is really bland. I mean, they've added so much salt. Salt, like, you know, there's so much salt in there already, but I can't even taste salt. I'm not happy with you, Mrs. Max. I'm sorry, but I'll try again. We'll go for another bite. Yeah, guys, this isn't it. If you're going to spend $4 at your local gas station or convenience store, I'm going to throw a wild one out there. I'm going to say the cheeseburger from On the Menu is better than this. I'm going to give this guy, I mean, it's not completely horrible, but I'm going to give this guy 3. 3 out of 10, guys. I mean, it's okay, but you need to literally soak this in sauce for it to go down because it's really bland and there's not much to it. I mean, the consistency is okay, but it just tastes like nothing. Which is really strange because it looks so good. You'd think that would taste like something, but it doesn't. But that's why we're here to review, guys. So if you want to see more food reviews of microwave foods, throw us a like, subscribe, and I'll be back again. Love y'all.